Thank you for joining me in nature as we lift up our hearts and we open wide. Allow Spirit to drop down inside. Fill up your space so that you can experience your nature. In this time, we must reconcile our relationship with our mother, with the Mother Earth. Being connected to her, giving to her, being in relationship means what do you take from her as opposed to what do you give? Mothers tend to overgive, and she overgives. She is depleted. And in this time, we must give our hearts, connect with her heartbeat, and allow that communication from her heart to our heart to be one, so that we can recognize the nature within us. The only way to understand who we are is to be connected to her nature. The disease that is happening in this time, it is because of this disconnection. It is because we aren't listening, we aren't giving, we're overtaking resources. So just listen and open your heart. And as you do, hear her heartbeat. And join me in nature virtually. I am going to be every Monday at 4, be opening the space so that you can feel this magic, this connection, and you can start to discover yourself. And the only way to do this and to know your purpose is to know nature. So many blessings in greater whole, my heart to your heart.